Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rental property expenses with CozyBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify rental property expenses with CozyBooks, start by logging into your CozyBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the Expenses tab located in the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your recorded expenses. Select the specific expense you want to verify. Click on the expense item to open its details. Check the amount listed for accuracy against your receipts or bank statements. Review the date of the transaction to ensure it matches your records. Look at the category assigned to the expense. Make sure it aligns with the type of expense you are verifying. If you find any discrepancies, click the Edit button to make corrections. After editing, be sure to save the changes. Next, you can attach or upload any supporting documents if needed. Use the Attach Document feature to upload relevant files. After uploading, confirm the documents are properly linked to the expense. Once verified, consider adding notes in the comments section for your records. Finally, return to the main expenses page to continue verifying additional items. Repeat this process for each expense you wish to verify. By following these steps, you can ensure all rental property expenses are accurate in CozyBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.